An international organization is one that includes members from more than one nation. Some international organizations are very large, such as corporations. Others are small and dedicated to a specific purpose, such as conservation of a species. Basic elements of word international organization. An international organization is an organization that includes members from multiple nations. International organizations can vary greatly in size. Some are very large, like corporations, while others are smaller and focused on a specific purpose, such as conservation efforts. The key characteristic of an international organization is that it has members from more than one country, rather than being limited to a single nation. Classification, types. International organizations can be divided into two main categories. 1. International governmental organizations, IGOs. These are organizations composed of national governments or other IGOs. 2. International non-governmental organizations, INGOs. These are organizations that are not directly affiliated with or controlled by national governments. In addition to IGOs and INGOs, multinational companies, also known as transnational corporations, also have a significant influence on international affairs and organizations. Differences between international governmental organizations, IGOs, and international non-governmental organizations, INGOs. Here are some of the key differences between international governmental organizations, IGOs, and international non-governmental organizations, INGOs. Structures. IGOs are typically created by treaties between national governments and have governments as their members. INGOs are independent from governments and are formed by private individuals or organizations, not national states. Funding sources. IGOs are primarily funded by contributions from their member governments. INGOs receive funding from a variety of sources, such as membership fees, private donations, corporate sponsors, and grants. Decision-making processes. In IGOs, the decision-making power lies with the member states, often with each state having an equal vote. INGOs tend to have more decentralized, participatory decision-making structures, involving their members, boards of directors, and other stakeholders. Other differences. IGOs have legal personalities and enjoy certain privileges and immunities, while INGOs have more limited legal status. IGOs are typically focused on broad, intergovernmental cooperation, while INGOs often have more specialized, issue-oriented missions. IGOs are subject to more formal bureaucratic procedures, while INGOs tend to be more flexible and adaptive. The distinctions between IGOs and INGOs reflect their different origins, structures, and roles in the international system. Largest international organization in the world. The United Nations, UN, holds the distinction of being the largest and most familiar intergovernmental organization globally. Established in 1945 at the end of World War II. Its primary mission is to ensure international peace and security, promote cordial relations between nations, foster international cooperation, and serve as a central focus for coordinating national efforts. Its headquarters in New York City and main offices in Geneva, Nairobi, Vienna, and The Hague. The UN plays a crucial role in global affairs and diplomacy. Oldest human rights organization founded in 1839, Anti-Slavery is the oldest international human rights organization in the world. Sources of my lectures are the lectures of Navnath Mishra Sir, the faculty attached with government and private institutes of the civil services. He is the renowned faculty of political science and international relations. Like and subscribe and comment for the further video.